Good morning, everyone. Today, June 19th, we celebrate National Reading Day. This special day honors the memory of P.N. Panikkar, often called the father of the library movement in Kerala. It was his vision and dedication that truly brought the joy of reading to countless people. Reading, as Panikkar understood, is not just about words on a page. It's about unlocking new worlds, gaining knowledge, and fostering imagination. So let's honor his legacy today by picking up a book and embracing the invaluable gift of reading. Thank you.